Hi everyone. In this lecture, I will teach you an interesting property. How you can check whether a number is a power of 2 or not. Okay, and we will use bitwise operators to do this check. So let us talk about a power of 2. Let's say 16 is a number which is a power of 2, or 8 is a number which is a power of 2. So what is 16? 16 in binary looks like this. Yes. And what I can do is this, let's say this number is n. So can you tell me what would be n minus 1? So clearly we know the n minus 1 would be something like this if if n is a power of 2. Okay, so we know if n is a power of 2, then the previous number would look something like this. So this number is actually 15. And an interesting property is if n is a power of 2, then doing a AND of these two will always give me a 0. Okay, and you can see this number is 0. Similarly, it is true for 8 and 7 as well. So if 8 is like this, then 7 is like this, and if you do a AND here of 8 and 7, then you will get a number 0. But this will not be true for any other number. For example, 5 is 101. What is 4? So 4 is 100, and if you do a AND here, you will not get a 0 here. Okay, so basically the check is if you get something like this, if n and n minus 1, if they produce a result that is equal to 0, then that means n is a power of 2. Okay, so simply what we can do in the code, we can take input n and I can check if n and n minus 1, and I maybe put a bracket here. If this is equal to 0, then you can say cout yes, power of 2, else you can say not a power of 2. Okay, so let's build it, run it, and check it quickly. So 128, yes, it is a power of 2. 144, it's not a power of 2. Okay, and 1024 is a power of 2, and 12, it's not a power of 2. So yes, it's working fine. So it's a order 1 check without doing anything. With just this AND operation with n minus 1, we can tell whether a number is power of 2 or not. That's it for this lecture. Thank you.